I want you to talk to the guy who laid every piece of this floor. We got all the Sims built, getting ready for turf. So when you come in back in this way, you can see this is kind of cool for a lot of people because you know, a lot of people just don't understand where we started, right? So that was the AC Moore. Being able to go next to Planet Fitness, Home Depot's right there. You know, this place was AC Moore, a little different than most. Graffiti when you walk in, and you know, a lot of people think of PGA Tour Superstore, golf, you know, just golf clubs and everything, and I just run it like a club, man. I just wanted a cool spot, hangout spot. I'll show you our podcast room. I like that room the best. It's kind of quiet in the back. Yeah, a lot of people.
I'm gonna get in here.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm sorry to put you on the spot too. I just walked in.
You're good, dude. I do this every day. Yeah, 2 locations. This is, you know, obviously quite big. How the whole idea came from Skramble, because I've been to other places, and you know, it's just, I want it to be comfortable and relaxed. Everyone has Sims these days, but let me know if you have this. You know, you'll never see any of my facilities where someone's greeting you at the door. It's just a
I walked right in.
Man, you know what I mean?
I felt like I was gonna go hit a couple golf balls already.
Yeah. I mean, it's one of those things. It's like I want the place to like kind of be like, oh wow, what is this? And then starts the conversation. You know, I have 12 bays in this one. You know, I'll probably build a couple more. You know, our membership's getting to be, you know, that 290, 300. I wanted to build a kind of a private custom area where you could get away from members. You could have 20 guys in here, you know, corporate event. You know, 4 bays is really not really a lot, but I just I want this to be comfortable, right? This is not a corporate play. If there's holes in the wall, cool, that's fine. If there's some things on the table, we'll clean it up. And that's kind of how the whole idea came from Skramble, because I've been to other places, and you know, it's just, I want it to be comfortable, relaxed.
And you really care about your customers or anyone that just walks in here.
Anyone that walks in the door.
All your content is positive, and it's inviting to keep playing golf.
For sure,
and that's something that I was intrigued about.
Yeah, I mean, like for me, you know, I've never had a place either to call home. I was at clubs a lot, but I'd have to leave, and I just want people to hang out here, man. Like you're here for 10 hours, cool, enjoy it. Like TV's on, go get some lunch, you know, and I feel like when you walk into this place, I hear everyone's like, oh, you're like this over here. But like, you know, most facilities are like this, right? You only have 3 or 4 bays. How many people can you put in there?
So you pull all your stats.
Yeah, all the data.
That's one thing
I'm looking. I got an app that I can see. Actually, John just got done playing.
Yeah,
I can check. He played an architect. But like, you know, like with an app, real quick. Let's see where the hell he is. Right there. Shot 82. Right, I can look at his scorecard and stats.
That's awesome.
Right, and then I can go, all right, dude. Like, you know, he made double finish. But like, those are the kind of things. Another cool piece I like. And this is kind of how I want it to be like a house, right? There's just a bag room here.
Okay, so you can leave your bags here.
Yeah.
An improvement with the customer.
Every time, yeah. If you don't get better, it's my fault, not your fault.
Yeah, that was
right?
the one thing I remember you mentioned.
Yeah. I mean, like, that's kind of where I kind of laugh. Like, I got in an argument with a little kid, like 9-year-old. I invest not money, time, effort, the amount of text messages, like that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Like, I talk to a lot of teachers, and you know, if you're not a tournament player, you're not going to be able to work with that person. Here, you know, we have Chun. You know, she can't break 100. Who cares? If you don't see the value, you ain't gonna stay.
Yeah.
You know. So, you know, there's obviously our short game area. 330 tons of rock to build this. Obviously a bunker, which is nice. You know, it's a challenge to get a space and go, okay, I'm putting in a short game area. This short game's $500,000. Just awesome. Just to be able to put it in, let alone, you know, have Sims and all that stuff. You know, so, and this is why a lot of people get really good, right? Because, you know, you miss greens, you got to get up and down. You got to know your putting percentage.
It's all here.
All that stuff.
Yeah, this place is cool. I wish this was closer to me, trust me.
Yeah, I know. And that's kind of where, like, I look at around here and stuff, and, you know, I think the location to places is like, if it's close to you, it's better, like it has a chance. And everyone that comes in here understands what we've created, right? We're not a you know, you wouldn't come in here thinking it's Top Golf, and which is fine. Like there can be places like that, but not what we do here. Like you join here, you're gonna get better. That was a wild day coming in here and seeing that. And then, you know, obviously taking it from that life to now our life and graffiti and dirt.
Is that you?
Yeah.
No
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
So you're okay. That's cool.
Oh, yeah. We're painting. We're doing everything. Yep.
Yeah.
And a lot of times when I build facilities, it's like, dude, the amount of effort that one has to put in is like, and I can do it, thank God. But like, you know, the whole stripe, I striped the whole place, painted it all gray, painted the stripe, wanted to make it decent looking. Then obviously the city there with Philly, and then there's me doing floors. That's us putting the, you know, the short game together, and then, you know, obviously you see what it is today. So yeah, it's just it took us 133 days to build this. So
that's pretty quick.
yeah, first one was 90. I thought I could do this faster, but you know, some issues.
So this
came up.
isn't your first location. The other one's your
Yeah,
first
Horsham was the first one. Dude, we did it for less than $1,000 all in, and you know, I think